Ethereum USD. So these trades, this, you see this Ethereum, you see this BTC. Today is Saturday. Do you understand? So these trades, these markets moves on Saturdays during the weekends. They move during the weekends. They move 247. That is why I love them. But you see Euro USD, BTC, Euro USD, AUD, currency pairs move from Monday to Friday. It opens the market, the Forex market opens on Monday and closes on Friday. Do you understand? So now, this is a trade. I want to open a trade now. If I can open my trade from this screen here, do you understand? This is my screen. I tapped on that box at the right up side. So before you open your trade, before you enter your trade, you must first check something that is very, very important, which is the lot size. So this thing that you're seeing here now, these are lot sizes. So a lot size is determined, is known from a particular currency pair or an equity, an entity. A lot size is determined from a currency pair. Like you see this Ethereum now. Normally, the normal lot size that I'm supposed to use is 0.01. But this Ethereum is showing the least lot size, which is 0.1. Do you understand? Now, this 0.1 is the least for Ethereum. And based on the way Ethereum is being structured, it is the same thing as 0.01 in a normal BTC market. So now, in this Ethereum, let us enter sell. Can you see how price is pushing to the downside? Now, I want to take you through how to enter a trade in a better way, in a normal way, not in the shortcut way. This particular area now is the shortcut way. I want to tell you how to enter a trade where you will now put your stop loss. Because if you enter a trade from here, from this screen, from this area, this chart area, you cannot put your stop loss. You cannot put your take profit. And I'm here to explain to you the importance of risk management, how to put your stop loss and all that. They are all under risk management. So now let's enter. Okay, I want to go. Now I've tapped on Ethereum. I'll go on trade. Now this is the engine of your analysis. If you miss this area, if you miss this spot, you have missed it all. If you make any mistake here in this area, you have made total mistake in the market, except you are lucky and price now move. So now if you open the charts, you see that the stop loss is showing here. So this is the risk. So if price moves against me, what I'm losing is 3k. Now let me put my take profit. 39.72. 39.72. Okay, let's take 39.95. 39.95.75. So let's take the stop loss, modify. You see how important stop loss is. It will save you from dangers in the market, to save you from risks in the market. So I'm trying to input my stop loss. You understand? Trying to input my stop loss 995.75. Now, if you input your stop loss and this modified area is not showing, as you can see, that is exactly what's happening to me. You have to go back and check the problem. As a trader, it is very important. You go back to check what the issue is. So, in checking what the issue is, the stop loss is already there. Okay, the stop loss is already there. So, it has opened. So, if price moves against me, what I'm losing is 3,000. And now, what is my balance? 166,000. And what am I expecting in return? Let's calculate. 39.88. So, modify. 39.88. Can you see the modify showed its color, which means it is clearly saying that I'm free to change it. So I've modified. So this is what shows when you modify your price. So now I am risking 3,000 to get what? 11,000. It is worth it. The 3,000 is worth the risk. So even though I lose the 3,000, if I still analyze the market in the same manner and pattern, even though I lose that 3,000 two times, I can still recover the loss and end up still in profit. That is the power of risk management. Risk management will help you manage your account, will help you manage your capital so as not to blow you out, recover the loss, and end up still in profit. That is the power of risk management. Risk management will help you manage your account, will help you manage your capital so as not to blow you out of the market, because your capital is your access to the market. So there's no much thing to talk about this risk management. What I'm going to tell you about risk management is always put in your stop loss. Now, your stop loss, there's a way stop loss is being calculated. Now, the system has already created a method for you to calculate your stop loss, which is this method. So use this to calculate your stop loss and all that. So my final speech or my final presentation on risk management is a trader who is good in his strategy, who is very, very accurate in calling trades, who has more than enough capital, without risk management, cannot become a profitable trader. Do you understand? That is just my final word on risk management. You can have all the good setups and analysis in the world, but without risk management, you are not a profitable trader, because you can be right today and you are going to lose it all tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like and share and comment. If you find this video helpful, do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and to get notified